Good
Oh,
evening,
sorry,
sir.
good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yes, regarding this loan stuff, everything, to be honest with you, I've worked with them before, you get,
You are welcome.
and
Welcome,
I did
sir.
not spend,
Welcome, sir.
hello,
We can hear you. We can hear you, sir.
and I did not spend more than 2 months there before I left because one, even people that are working there, they are not, find
They're not
yourself in a
normal.
situation whereby you are not growing you in that place, there's nothing like career growth, you get,
Mm.
and these people are mostly Chinese. Because one of the reasons why you see that sometimes Nigerian will keep pressurizing customers is not their fault. See, let me tell you something that they normally do. One thing about Chinese is they will always create what we call a a psychological game on their staff. Are you hearing me?
Mm.
So what is the essence of that psychological game? First, they will tell you that okay, they will play a psychological game on their staff. Number one is they will draw something like a KPI. They will make their salary small, whereby they will not increase the KPI, for instance, 200,000. They will not be telling you that the more you convince customer to take a loan, the more your KPI. Or the more you threaten customer to pay up the loan, the higher your KPI. You get
Mm-hmm.
even a job that I wanted to do. And I think I left there immediately when I discovered two things that wait, oh, most of these loan people, they are mostly Chinese. And these people, I now discovered that at the end of the day, the companies are not even paying any tax to the government. You can imagine that. When I look when I look at those things, I say, wow, God, oh. One, I then that thing gave me another way to dig into the company. I was like, wait, oh, this company does not have license. It's not this company is not registered. And on the year police, before you know they will start running. Then I was like, within a space of 6 months, we've changed office like 3 times. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, we can
Now
hear
what am
you.
I trying to say is that I've worked in telesales, I've also worked in tele recovery. The best thing is they will put pressure on you, pay your loan, pay your loan, pay your loan. At the end of the day, nothing, they will not do anything. That's just the truth of the matter. And some people can go any length of sending threatening message, different kind of deadly message to people that to the point that the customer will not start running. When I look at those things, I say, well, this place, there's no how I can get a career growth. That was why I just resigned from that place. And thank God, ever since I've been doing my business, I don't even like taking loan. And I will not encourage Nigerians to obtain a loan from any loan app. Because what is the essence of you taking a loan? You will take a loan of 4,000 naira, you will pay 7,000 naira within a short period of 7 days. We out, in fact,
7 days, 6
what are
days,
you
sir.
doing? I don't even know how to even classify that kind of thing. That is pure wickedness. China came from their own country and used us, Nigeria, to fight against Nigerians.
Nigeria.
Now, the reason why they will now use money because they believe that if Nigeria plus Nigeria work together, we are going to overtake them. They will now play psychological game on you. That you will be thinking that once you bring in more customer, they will pay you higher. So there you will now be looking for different strategy in order to convince your own fellow Nigerian, lead them into financial debt. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Perfectly, perfectly.
So one thing I even want government to do is that if there is a way, see, let me even tell you another thing. Most Chinese people, because when I raised that issue of tax something, the Chinese man that came to our office, he was like, see, let me tell you something. I am not scared. If you guys allow me if you guys allow the government to close my company today, in the next 3 days, I will go and create another 7 loan apps, and I will change my location. I will change all my staff. So now, let me tell you, who is now losing? You see the country that we are in. That a foreigner will have, a foreigner will have strong. I don't even know how to have power. Say, okay, if they remove me today, if they stop me from operating today, in the next 7 days, I will go and create a loan app, recruit fresh staff, and I will imagine. So to me,
But
anybody,
yeah.
whether Pampe or anybody, if not, they cannot do anything. They cannot go to your house. They
Hmm.
cannot go to your house. If you obtain a loan from anybody, they cannot go to your house. They cannot come and meet you. They can. But the thing is, people that don't know anything, they will be getting scared. Blah blah blah. They will flag your BVN. Most of them, you don't even have license to flag your BVN to credit bureau. Is it
Why
people
any
that?
key for you?
Is it people that? Is it people? Most of them that their companies are not registered. So now they won't flag your details to credit bureau. They cannot even do that. Just know one thing is sure. The reason why those staff are calling you, one, they are under pressure because there is one particular percentage. They will give their salary may be 70,000 naira or 50,000 naira. They will not put that KPI, which is
Key
key
performance
performance index. They will not put it to like 120,000, whereby they can go extra mile to talk to you, to do anything just for you to pay back. That's just the game that they are playing.
Now.
That's just the
Okay,
game they are playing. And they cannot come to your house because I've had experience. They cannot come to what they will do is they will be shouting. And how are
If
they
they won't
normally
come
getting
my
all these
house,
their
let them
customers?
talk.
One,
They
how are
cannot
they normally
come.
getting their customer? One, they will create an advert through Google Ad. And by clicking, for instance, now if you click on Okash, just believe that after clicking on that Okash, more than seven loan this thing will start calling you immediately.
Mm.
That's just how they play their game. If you don't pay them, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. That's just one thing about it.
In fact, we should call you repentant donor agent. You are actually a repentant donor agent, and I have seen at least on
The
this our
thing
platform.
is, one thing about me is that when you are educated and situation find you getting a job, even do you know one thing? When I got that job adverts online, I was like, wow. I did not even know what they were doing until 3 days after training. That was when they now introduced that, yeah, what we do here is loan. We sell loan. I was like, wait. Ever since that, I said, what everything that you guys are doing here is not even transparent. That if anybody should come to that office now and say anything, they can pick you up, and you are nobody. The Chinese will not even see them. Let
They
me
are
tell
not
you something.
last. They are
See, let
not
me tell you
lasting.
something. Even Pampi, they have like 5 offices in Lagos.
Okay.
If you want to finish them like this, before you know, they will change office immediately. That's why if you borrow money from Pampi, they will be telling you that it's from FlexiCash. It's not Pampi. Don't mention Pampi, because they know that their reputation, their license is almost they was about to even take the license away from them last year. Let me tell you something. Do you know that those agents, they are not even having rest of mind?
Sure.
Yes, now.
Because okay, later when I was working as telecollection in Pampi, early in the morning like this, they will call us, please, the data is down. Okay, we will keep calling customer. Around 9:30 in the evening, the team leader will still call us that, please, the data is down. Complete 2 months that I spent there, the data is always down. There's no time that the data is always up. You, that you are not strong enough, you might even have heart attack. And one thing about these people, they don't even care about your HMO. They don't even have HMO. Sometimes if you're having malaria fever, they will say, come to the office. When you start making call, the fever will go. You can imagine that nonsense.
These people are wicked. Have people not watched Squid Game? When it gets to a point, they started telling them that if you kill anybody, the money will increase. They started killing themselves.
Come to another country, he'll be telling you, your fellow Nigerian. The man told me to my face, see you, I know you are very stubborn. I know you are very stubborn. I know you can go any length, but before you go any length, we will bring you down. That was what he told me. Because one thing, I'm just like a pure enemy to them. Because there is no policy that I want to bring that me, I will not stand against. One, you are telling me to, number one, your interest rate is high, your duration is short, and you are telling me to convince customer to convince 15 customers to apply for a loan a day.
People
And
are dying because of this thing, please.
thank God I've joined. Now let me tell you something. The issue of calling, one thing that you need to know is that you cannot stop them from calling, because it's not one particular person that are calling you.
Yes.
They can see, for instance, now while I was working with them, they normally give everybody 285 numbers a day. Are you getting
Hi.
me? I'm telling
Hi.
you. And
Nigeria don't finish.
see the hear me back.
Voila.
One particular
Nigeria
person,
don't finish. Are they
are you
here? Are they
hearing me?
here matter?
One particular person, they might even give one person 285 numbers in a day to call. And out of that 285 numbers in a day, in my former we are like 400 staff.
Jesus.
Now 285 numbers times 400 staff. And if you call somebody today, if you block down, is another person that will call you tomorrow. So how many people do you want to block?
You don't. Chocolate will do the magic anyway. So, but the
And
truth is
what these people are using, they are not using direct line, they are using microsips.
that micro. I understand that line. They still need to register it, right? With NIN because it can't go without
No.
NIN.
Microsips. You don't need to register microsip with NIN. It's just like this. See, Chinese people have developed that thing from their hand.
Virtual number, random
Yes,
number.
they call it VoIP, like VOLP.
Yes, I know. I know. There are two numbers. Do you get that now? Let me explain that aspect as well. The one that any number that will chat you on WhatsApp,
Okay, okay.
any number that will chat you on WhatsApp, most of the time they actually a registered number.
Yes, yes, yes,
So the
yes.
one you are referring to, you can even use Google to register it, and it will go.
Yes.
Void, FYD, right? So, but even that one self, there's still a way you can do it that they need to register it in the code. Okay, when you were working with them, which number were you using? Is it the number they gave to you? Did they give you any number or it has to be
One thing about them that if you are working with them, they will provide you with 2 SIM cards on their own.
okay?
So is that SIM card you will be using to chat with customers. And on they block your WhatsApp number, you will still provide them a WhatsApp proof that truly your WhatsApp has been banned.
No, I didn't get that. I didn't get that. He
I
said
said I said they will provide you a SIM card.
PanPay,
And
right?
when you are now
All of them or PanPay. There are some that are very, very technical in destroying Nigerians.
the only one that I know that is very, very hard, is very, very difficult for you to have their number is these people Opay, because
Okay.
their staff doesn't have access to customers' number. So anybody that borrow from Opay, if you call them, they will just say they will talk to you nicely. But you see
They
PanPay,
don't have access
yes,
because Opay will not send the user data to them.
yes. The reason is, let me tell you, the reason is the numbers are not being shown to the staff.
Mm-hmm.
They did not the number. For instance, now if your number is 08023456789, on staff dashboard it will show 080 slash 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 the last number you get. So there's no how they can get access to the customer's number. That reason why you see Opay is somehow better than other loan app.
What we're saying is, I understand what you're saying. What I'm saying is, I'm referring to some of the loan apps, like you mentioned, let's say PanPay or any other loan apps. You said the day you join the team, they will give you a number to call, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, good. I mean, they'll give you 2 SIMs, right?
yes.
But not all of them. Some of them, is there any, will they give you phone or just SIM?
They will give you phone. If it's PanPay, they will provide you a phone, a particular phone.
That you can use to call?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So that means all the properties belong to them.
Yes, yes, yes.
All the property of the phone belongs to them. So that phone, what you are doing with the phone, they will be monitoring you.
Yes, 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 yes. Any calls you make will be monitored. No, what you are talking about is if you want to call see, let me tell you something. The number that you are talking is microchip, which means you can only call a customer. The customer cannot call you
They
back.
not call you. Yes, I know. Yeah.
And out of that microchip, there are 2 people. There is one that customer service use. That one you can call back. But the one that normal agents are using, you cannot call that one back. They will only allow
Not
to call you.
See, you know what?
That's why there are some apps. There are some apps you cannot call their customer care number. Customer care will be there, but you cannot reach them. Even the email is not even working.
What I'm saying is not all is not okay. Not all loan apps are using that method. It's because PanPay is sophisticated, you understand? So not all loan apps are using that same method. I have a number of loan apps that when you go there, they will ask you to go and register your SIM.
Yes.
They want you to go and buy a SIM rather, and
Yes,
register
yes.
it
And
with
use your NIN, yes.
So that one, if you enter that, if you are anybody that in that kind of business, don't enter Wala. You understand? So I know that PanPay, they are very, very corny, the criminal organization. Whoever is paying PanPay, that person don't get sense. I'm sorry to, if you are here, you are paying PanPay. I'm sorry to abuse you.
My own is my own. I thought
They are scared of PanPay. Eh?
Nothing they sub for PanPay. Nothing.
They are very scared of PanPay.
each individual is entitled to register for a number like for 4 times. Example, MTN, you're allowed to register just 4 times.
But
And
if you have a company, you can walk up to them. They will give, it's now 500 for company. That one are for individual.
okay, I understand now.
You understand? Yeah. So for company, if you just need to show that you are registered, so you can have up to 500 to even sometimes 1,000 self. So they will just do mass registration for all the phone numbers. But not all of them. But you know all these criminal organizations now, they cannot have. Some of them will not have that privilege. So that's why they will now encourage the loan app agent to go and register new SIM. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Please correct me, Mr. Jerry. So
Yes, you
anyway,
are right. You are right.
because of our time, people. Am I
I don't
lying?
even see. I told you that I hate them with passion. You don't understand.
Please get them all. Yes, please.
So it's a terrible thing. It's a terrible thing. So
Because see, I can't imagine. See me, I can't imagine myself because I read
9 p.m.
economics. I have BSc in economics. I know what it takes. I can't imagine my fellow Nigerians suffering all because of one stupid foreigner using a psychological method to drain you.
This guy is asking if I sent them address. I even sent them address to come and meet me at home. Like,
They will
come.
not. They will not come now. Why would they come?
Why would they
I
They
call
don't
give
you?
have.
them no,
They don't have
like
right to even come
no.
now.
As for me,
Jerry,
see, as for me, I like trouble. Me, I just give them the address. Come. If you go
Brother
back,
Jerry,
if you ever go back, make I know why.
if you know those people working there, please start telling them to study because if you get to a time, we'll start arresting them.
You
Because
can't
they're
arrest
putting their
them.
fellow Nigeria to
So what
death
is
and
this?
they're making
You are
them
applying. You know
The
this.
thing
selling
is,
their property.
the thing is,
See,
Imagine, these people are really killing Nigeria. 400 and something people working on the
400.
God.
400 is even
It's
small.
too
400 is
much.
even small.
bro, I say those
It's
people are
too
devil.
much.
Those people are devil. We are
It's
talking
too
about
much.
it's
devil.
not
I
even
say
just.
because
I'm
it's
just
too
talking
much.
about one
And
particular branch. Oh.
it's still the Nigerians
You hear
that
what he
keep
said?
on
I'm just
accepting
talking.
gifts
See,
That
from
I'm
the
just
you
talking
devil.
hear
about
what he
one
said? He said
branch,
just
and
one
these people
branch.
have 5
400.
branches.
400, one branch. Not even
One branch. Not,
400.
not, we're not talking, and we have more than 50 loan apps. Okay, but Jerry, there are some that they are not
Lunars. I said we
professional.
have more than 1,200 lunars in Nigeria. 1,200.
Let
Okay,
me tell you something. If you
okay.
go to Lagos now, and say you are looking for work, the as a youth, the job that you can see very fast is all this loan company.
What about those link? Those ones that don't, they are not on Play Store.
See,
They do
the
call
reason
you
why they
and
are
they will
not on
send
Play
you.
Store is because one, the government has already banned them,
Okay.
like Lily Cash, Care Finance, and all those kind of stupid loan app.
Joy
Any
Cash.
customer that called you that say, okay, I'm going to send you a link, it's better for you not to even send.
Anyway,
And
And they are the
another thing
most
that we should be
dangerous,
praying
they are
for.
the most dangerous loan app. Those link. They are the most, if those ones tell you
And
they want
another
to
thing
send a
that you
picture,
should
they
be
will
praying
send
for,
it.
that may God not allow you to find yourself in a situation whereby you will not be thinking of borrowing.
amen.
And
That's
that's why I'm trying to raise awareness whereby you know your limit. Because the essence of the reason why people are borrowing is because of pressure.
correct.
On a normal ground, nobody will go and borrow money if he on his right senses and say, okay, let me go and borrow money. And
If everything is going well, why would they borrow money? Borrow money from
and
where?
what is now
20,000 to
making
pay 50,000 in 7 days.
yes, the reason why people are borrowing money is because then they put themselves in under unnecessary pressure. So
Mm-hmm.
that's just it. And may God not allow us to find ourselves in that kind of situation.